I want us to get confident and comfortable in asking the question, getting them to the right person if we're not the right person to go through life options, but we have to start the conversation and we shouldn't be afraid of the objection. It just means at least we're talking. Hello, friends. Stephen Harrington, Dakota with Agency Performance Partners, talking to you today about overcoming objections with life insurance sales. I'm sure we've heard lots of them. We're going to talk about a couple of the most common and some of the ways that we can overcome those objections. My first thought is, hey, if we're getting an objection, at least we're asking. So we're headed in the right direction. But we want to make sure that we are asking the questions so that we can get the response. A lot of times the first thing we hear is it's too expensive. A lot of clients think life insurance is out of reach. And that is a huge misconception. I think it's something that we can talk through with the client and say, I totally understand budget is important. Did you know most people overestimate the cost of insurance by 3 times? Let's explore some options and see what we have that might fit your budget while still providing you with the protection you need. It's going to focus on empathy and facts and help the client see that there might be affordable solutions. Another one is, I don't need it. How many times does client think they don't need life insurance? Well, they don't need it till they die, right? A way to overcome this objection could be to talk through it with the client. Hey, I know a lot of people think life insurance is only for certain stages of life, but if something happened, would your loved ones have the financial resources they'd need to cover expenses or maintain their lifestyle? Would your business be able to continue on without you financially? Different things to talk about. I think a lot of times it's getting to the bottom and helping them see that this is a solution that many people will need. Another objection, I'll do it later. The cheapest it's ever going to be is today, my friends. If we all had time machines that can go back in time, we should have all got life insurance when we were young and healthy and locked that rate in forever. Unfortunately, every day that goes by, everything that happens, the more expensive it gets. I think we can talk through that with a client with something fairly simple like, I completely get it. You're going to do it later. However, life insurance is based on your age and health. The younger and healthier you are, the more affordable it is. Let's take a look at it now so we can try to get those rates locked in. And my favorite objection is I have that through my employer, or I have that through work. Bless them. We need to start asking the question to our prospects or customers to find out if they have any life that they control. Meaning, do they pay the bill? If they were to leave their job, would they be able to keep it? A lot of people end up with policies through their employer. They then leave years later and can't take it with them. So we want to make sure we're focused on that and helping our clients through it. So with all of that being said, my friends, I want us to get confident and comfortable in asking the question, getting them to the right person if we're not the right person to go through life options, insurance options with them. But we have to start the conversation and we shouldn't be afraid of the objection. It just means at least we're talking. If you have questions or need anything in the future, please feel free to reach out. We have great resources at agencyperformancepartners.com, and I'll talk to you again soon.